Good morning. Good morning to all of you. In this morning session, I thought let us take up a new topic which are very big challenge to the upcoming industries. Basically unorganized sector like security, housekeeping, construction, facility, real estate like companies. What happened that these companies they have some negative practice or harmful practices in the organization, that is the family interference and how a professional person can work in the organization. Normally it has been seen or it is evident that the person who knows his or her work very well, who is holding the domain expertise, if they have been appointed, they should be given full freedom to function according to the norms and principles set in the domain for which they have been appointed. But it has been seen that there is a lot of interference coming from the family of the directors, managing directors and the owner of the organization. What happens in the basically recruitment which is run by HR experts, they get a call on and often from the family, and if I have to talk very open, they get the call from the wife of managing director that Dr. Srivastav, I am sending this person, you appoint as a peon. Dr. Srivastav, I am sending this person, you appoint as a accountant. I do understand that they also the part of the society. So people approach them for the job or this kind of the work activities. What happens if you appoint these persons under the pressure, then you are responsible for their incompetency, and even it has been seen that after providing the training, they do not understand, they do not pick up the work for which they have been appointed. So this kind of the problem is not creating the problem, individual incompetency problem, but it is impacting negatively in the day-to-day operation of the organization. If I have to make you to understand, giving a very lower level example, the person has been appointed irrespective to competency as a peon, as a pantry boy, as a courier attending personality, as a admin assistant. What happens? Courier came, he don't know, he cannot read write, so he will wait for other person to come and help. In between, somebody came from the organization who was the related to that courier, he picked up the courier and gone. Sometimes the wrong courier gone to the other part of the organization, so there is the hue and cry. Similarly, if a peon who is incompetent, who do not know anything and who is having the language problem also, he is totally dominated by the traditional language which he knows, and people in the organization does not know, then it becomes very difficult to manage the day to day operation. एक कप चाय लाना भाई, अब वो now he will look for certain support that how to make the tea, कम शक्कर डालना, ज़्यादा शक्कर डालना, तो इस तरीके की प्रॉब्लम्स ऐसे आ जाते हैं which disturbs the HODs, which disturb to the employee of the organization as a whole. So the productivity of the person goes down, and the employee cannot say to board or to director or to HOD that this man do not know anything, but it has been kept by the HR. And sometimes if complaint is received, then what HR will do? HR will also say to the top personality and management that, sir, this kind of the situation was there, so we have appointed this person breaking all kind of the barriers, rules, regulations and norms. Now MD also is silent on this topic, director is also silent on this topic. So what happens in the days to come? There is the problem in the day-to-day operation with the people that I'm not getting tea, my courier is not delivered at my place, and manager is handicapped, HOD, admin and HR is handicapped that those kind of the courier does not came on our desk because there is no entry in the register. So what happens? Basically this kind of the approach can be seen in the unorganization sector, like security company, like housekeeping company, like property management company, like real estate company, like infrastructure company, where there is no control of this kind of the act and activities. A professional person is appointed, he gets frustrated and he gets asked what kind of the organization is this. Now HR, if HR takes the plunks and he says that no, we will not appoint, then HR has to, this kind of HR has to face different kind of the atmosphere and environment or blow in the organization. So how to sort out this problem? This problem can be sorted out sitting with the managing director and board of directors, few eminent management personalities, and telling them, sir, what is the 10 drawbacks appointing this kind of the people? We are losing the professional people because they are not getting what they are demanding and what we have promised. So good people are going out of the organization because being harassed by the systems and procedures, and the incompetent personalities, they are staying in the companies and they are changing the total environment. And it has been seen that over a period of time, total organizational culture has been taken over by the political organization rather than the professional organization. So sit with the MD and board of directors, eminent personalities, and talk about this kind of the happenings in the organization. It has been seen that around 70% of the directors, managing directors, chairman, they will take the call and they will try to stop this kind of the family disturbance, interference and pressures on the HR. And if it is so, then slowly and steadily, or the way they take the call, organizational mahal will change. Instead of political environment, there will be the professionally driven organization. So these organizations which are coming up in the industry to become a full-fledged organization, professional organization, they are being called unorganized organization. Then if this kind of the call can be taken, then unorganized organization can improved very fast. Otherwise the situation will go beyond to the control. And it has been seen that instead of professional environment, if there is the much pressure of the professional environment, then organization sinks slowly and it vanished. So let us take a call. Let us take a call that each one of us, including managing director, chairman, is a human being and driven with the ambition, and they are having also ambition to make this company multi-fold profit oriented company. And this can happen when the unethical pressure, unethical traditions, unethical approaches, unethical pressures are being abolished from the recruitment system, from the HR department. Thank you very much in this video. We will meet in our another. Take care of yourself. Until then.